Hey Luke, what'd you think of that?
He's getting a beard.
I know. Gruffy, huh?
Says my dad can never have a beard.
Hey Luke, look at me.
I'm just being lazy.
Hi, what'd you think of that?
Dave couldn't with his job. If he could, I think he would.
That's me too. I can't, but I'm on vacation now, so it's like.
Scott.
Yeah.
Scott. Are you gonna plant that little poop like today?
Maybe.
Devin. Hi.
Hi.
What a ham. Hey Corb.
There you go.
What are you doing?
How's that ride?
How was your motorcycle ride?
Was that fun?
Was it pretty fast? Did you get to drive?
Good morning. For your very, very first time ever.
Yeah, he told us.
Oh, did he?
The dentist.
Yeah.
He said he got that red stuff in his mouth.
Yeah, they painted his little teeth purple and then rinsed off, and then it shows where he needs to brush his teeth. And it's pretty interesting.
I remember we had to do that when we were little.
I remember it's
Catch
kinda
on the
like
MIDI
when you make
camera.
tablets and you chew them up and eat them. And of course, everybody's teeth were all red. I mean, it didn't make any difference.
Where's Luke? There's Luke. I got you on the TV, Luke.
Could you do me?
Hi, Luke. Give me a big smile. Hey. Give me a big smile.
Now do it to me. Do it to me.
I don't know why we always have the camera on him.
Where did he go? Hi, Dad. You act too goofy. How about you, Corbin? You act goofy too? Nah.
Of course, it's not proper.
There he is.
Almost interception.
Get it, Corbin. Humble. Oh, hi. Hey, come on. Ready?
I've never seen more pitiful dogs in my life.
Wow.
There's Mom.
No, don't get me out of here. Whitney's crying. I should have left her in the house.
Uh-oh. Hike, 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 hike.
Likely excuse, Scott.
Let's try it again. Ready? Hike, hike, hike. Here you go. Yes. Oh. There you go.
Oh. Did you trip over your sandals?
Luke, you're so funny.
You're all done.
Luke.
Look at the camera.
Luke.
Scott.
Luke. Yeah. Mandy.